back to my channel. Today I will make a block. So in the last video I made a rocket and a bicycle. So now let's see what I can make. Today come on, let's see. So today I take my these blocks. Today I will make two things. One is vehicle and one is animal. And the vehicle name is helicopter. And the animal name is gazelle. Now I will take two blocks, two blue, two green. And how I will join these blocks, let's see. I made four buildings like this. I know what I mean. So now my gazelle legs are ready. Now I will make the body. So now I will take two rectangle blocks. So now I will make helicopter. Come on now, let's see how I can make my helicopter. First I will take this and then I will take this and then I need this and then I need this. Then again I need like this and then I need this for the back like that. And now my half helicopter are ready. Make half more. There. Let's see now my helicopter.
Amazing!
Today I made two things. One is a helicopter, one is a gazelle. Which one do you like? Tell me.